dark side of high-performance engineering. What you are about to experience is not merely a sedan, but a brutal carbon fiber-clad masterpiece. This is the BMW M3 Competition, draped in a menacing gloss black finish that reflects the world around it like a dark mirror. Behold the aggressive carbon fiber aerodynamics, featuring a massive front splitter, a vented carbon hood, and that iconic Ducktail rear spoiler that screams pure track heritage. The piercing laser headlights with striking blue accents cut through the night, while the rear is dominated by stunning three-dimensional taillights and a roaring quad titanium exhaust system. Beneath this aggressive wide-body stance lie massive black-forged wheels wrapping high-performance rubber, ready to devour any road. But the true magic lies beneath that vented hood. A 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine, delivering a monstrous 503 horsepower and 650 newton-meters of torque. This engineering marvel catapults this brutal sedan from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds, pushing all the way to a breathtaking top speed of 290 kilometers per hour. Step inside, and you enter a fighter jet cockpit designed for pure dominance. The cabin is draped in premium black merino leather, featuring heavily bolstered M Sport seats with illuminated M3 logos that hold you firmly in place. Your hands grip the thick M leather steering wheel, flanked by carbon fiber paddle shifters and those iconic red M1 and M2 preset buttons. The dashboard is adorned with real carbon fiber trim, glowing with customizable ambient lighting, while the digital instrument cluster puts all the vital telemetry right in your line of sight. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the BMW M3 Competition, where everyday luxury meets unapologetic, brutal performance.